start it. They'll have a little. Someone on a diet or not on a diet, please take this away from me. Yeah, I'll take it. Thank you.
Someone on a diet. Probably someone not on a diet should take it. And hence Taylor Graphic.
I'm not on that, I'm all
That's it, see, that's the thing, that's what you gotta do.
We'll need
Are you in
the other math folder.
Oh, yeah.
Set up.
Put your hat on. The only person.
We'll probably have more setup time, so.
Yeah, oh yeah, you will. I'm just making it.
That better be on WKU's main page by tomorrow.
What? You stuff in your face? Or the,
With the hat on.
oh. Here's what we do with the G-Scout program.
Here's Adrian before, here's Adrian after.
Alright. Not great.
Right? Very complicated.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tomorrow or Friday? Because Friday will have more time too.
Say not today.
If you have left it tonight. Do that 15-minute thing for tomorrow and. There are being nice stuff, right? And then I'm gonna join.
Oh, dang, you Assassin's Creed.
I want to do Zoom on Wednesday. Because it's really easy for me to do that.
No, this is for later on.
Okay.
Plus it's at 4
Okay.
right after class. You know, so it's not.
Probably not Friday, because I actually am following you immediately after that. Tomorrow.
Oh, sorry. Is there a picture of what
You're all gonna get a messy. I don't think. I didn't know what you did. I just need to go over.
Okay. Welcome, ladies and gents. Can we get seated here? Spread around. Welcome to the Ministry of Munchkin Monitoring. We have we've been receiving communications lately from the people over at the Yellow Brick Road Transportation Authority, and there's been some unusual activity. I think you'll agree.
I can't see. Oh, really?
Never been.
Do you recognize these folks?
Yes. Hey, he was in that one.
What movie is this? Is this from Twilight?
So you saw them earlier this morning. We got
You need to show us.
So,
You need to go home and get the
what are they doing?
Dancing.
They moving around a lot?
Yeah.
Forward, backward, all over the place?
Wow, she's. That's good.
Okay. Well, we here have sort of distressed that this is going on. We want to monitor the situation closely because these are strangers in our land. We don't really know what they're up to. They're doing kind of weird stuff and they're moving all over the place. So we've set out devices to watch them. Do you all know what sort of devices people use to keep tabs on other people? Maybe
Cameras.
cameras. Yeah. Do you know of any other sorts? Maybe in spy movies or
Video.
to catch thieves or you all familiar with you all ever seen motion detectors?
Like an alarm.
Similar to alarm?
Oh yeah, like when you go to the store. The door turns on.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Open the doors in the store.
Neighbors don't.
So we have we've got ourselves a device that we're using to monitor people on the Yellow Brick Road as they move along. So we'd like to. Sorry, go ahead.
We have a motion detector here and a traffic calculator.
to do some examples first so you guys can learn how to become part of the ministry and help us out in monitoring the streamers. So,
So let's can we have a volunteer? We're going to show everybody how to operate this thing. Actually, 2 volunteers. You seem excited. So one of you is gonna look at the calculator and run the device.
I don't know how to do
Take measurements, and the other one is gonna walk around for us, and we're gonna watch you and
it.
see what the device tells us about your movement. So you want to do the walking?
I don't think I can push.
Okay. Okay. You tell everybody how to operate your calculator, and you come with me, and we're gonna have you walk a bit. Let's move this table out of your way.
I think you should run over the
Don't bump into it.
so you're running, and I want you to stand about 2 feet away. So kind of close, but not too close. And I want you to walk backwards slowly for 3 seconds. And then stand still for 3 seconds. And then walk backwards for 4 seconds. And then walk forward again for 5 seconds. Do you want directions? When as you
Yeah, I'll tell them to do some walking. There we go. How you doing? Yeah. Let's do that. Okay, John. Yeah. So that's our calculator. Brandon is going to hit enter at the bottom of the calculator. You can kind of see it down there in the corner. Yeah.
Enter.
And you're going to start walking back.
Push it now.
Sure. Right? You walk back. Okay. You see John walking back on there. Stop a bit. Now walk back again a little bit. And now walk forward again. So there's a limited amount of time that it records. And then you see you walk back, stop, and walk back again. Now what this shows us is the distance away from the device of the person at any given time. And you see as the time goes along, it draws out the line in time. So it produces a graph.
Yeah. Awesome. Is this like the
graph
graph
that we
we
saw
saw earlier?
Is this a line graph?
Well, it's not a scatter plot of individual pieces of data. It's a continually sampling the data and plotting it as you go back. So
What?
effectively, yes, it's a line graph.
Oh, okay.
But it generates it over time rather than collecting a bunch of data about people's heights and plotting it.
Yeah, the other one's straight though. This one's all crooked.
Mhm.
It looks like more like a mountain graph.
So in this case, we have something sort of like this.
We were making it.
Looks like that game on The Price is Right, where the little man walks
Mountain
up.
climber.
And on
Cliffhanger.
And so over time, it'll display the distance that the person is away from the device. So if he moved farther away from it, stayed still for a while, so he stayed at this constant distance. So you can imagine the device being down here, and this is him moving away from it in time. So that's basically how we use these devices.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Okay, so you're supposed to be determining if you can see munchkins, right? No.
No, we're watching.
So I was about to say, I think it's too tall. Like that you can't. You may not hit the sensor.
Yeah. No. We're watching the Tin Man Dorothy and all